welcome to used tools. My client bought the worst house in the neighborhood and they need me to double its value. Let's take a tour. So here we have the kitchen. I like this feature. Skinny stove with a extra wide area here. Gives you lots of extra room. I love these plastic brick backsplashes. All this texture allows for a great place for grease to build up over the years. It gets a nice patina. Lets you see some of the history of the house. Here we have some cupboards. Not too bad. A little worn. We might be able to sand those down and reuse them. That's not the greatest. Might have to do a little bit to fix this counter. Classic. Another brick feature wall. Well, plastic brick feature wall. That's nice. Little plastic bricks are falling off. That's okay. It's great quality. Good quality plastic. I like plastic. Good stuff. What else we got here? Makeshift shelves. That's pretty good. I might leave that. Some beautiful history right there. Coming through here, there's a living room. It's a good size area. We got the original, looks like maple hardwood floors. That's good stuff. 3/4 inch thick. There's some nice quality stuff here. We got a gap around the baseboards, and instead of using some wood quarter round, which might make sense, we've got this nice black electrical tape. I like that. The black electrical tape gives nice contrast between the light colored baseboard and floors. Top-notch stuff here. It also acts as a good weather sealer as well, so you don't get cold air coming through these gaps. Perfect. So here's a nice feature here. You can see we've got 1, 2, 3 heat registers in the middle of this dining area. So when you're sitting at the table enjoying your family meals, your feet are going to be nice and toasty. An excellent, excellent thing to have. Come through here. Here we have a bedroom. I think this is the master bedroom. Carpet's a little stained. We got this nice makeshift cupboard thing here. I'm gonna replace this closet. That's pretty ugly. This is a nice feature. We got a nice painted in window. That way the neighbors can't peep in at night. Perfect stuff. Hallway. In the hallway we got this nice trap door to I don't know where. Maybe that used to be an old heating vent. They seem to like putting heating vents in the middle of all the floors here, so I think I'm going to cover that up with some flooring, I think. Nice glass door. You know, it's a high quality door because we got the duct tape on there. Probably broke a pane at some time, so that's good. At least it's been properly repaired. Here's the lovely bathroom. Great looking bathroom. Nice stuff. Got some beautiful high quality cabinets right here. One of the nice features about this bathroom is the wall treatments. You can see here on this one wall we've got drywall, some pine slat boards, a little square of random tiles and the plastic backsplash, and the glass mirror. It all comes together as a nice composition. That's great. I'll probably leave that. That's beautiful stuff. And we have this nice kind of textured window so the neighbors can't peep in again. It's got a crack in it, and I can feel drafts of cold air coming through there, so we're gonna have to replace that window, unfortunately. Oh well. Moving on. Let's see where these stairs go. Got some carpet on them. I don't know, I might leave it, I might not. I'm gonna be replacing most of the flooring in here, maybe. See here, we got nice little attic bedrooms. There's some nice stuff, a nice little hobbit door. A little hobbit house in there. That's good. It means we've got options depending on what kind of guest we have. And again, we got more heating vents in the middle of the floor. Must have been the style back then. Got a little hobbit door. Kind of a proper closet. No door there. Put a door on. Other room, heating vent in the middle of the floor. These are nice little bedrooms. Here we have a closet leading to a hobbit door. Nice. There's another nice feature. Insulation in the windows gives it added R value. Cuts down on your heating costs. So that's a nice touch. I'm glad that was included with the house. I'll probably be leaving that. Top-notch stuff right there. Here we have a window with the screen flapping open. That's good. It allows your cat to come and go. You don't have to keep, opening the screen for your cat to leave the house and come back in. So, bonus points there. There's this little mudroom in the back. It's in bad shape. You can see the wall right here is all rotten. And that's because up there's some eaves troughs. And there was a gap in the eaves trough. And all the water was just pouring down here. Here we have the door to the basement. Nice carpet and stairs. Laundry room. Water heater. Here's a nice feature. We got the laundry exhaust poking out through the window, as well as the lines for the air conditioners. It's probably better to have, these lines going out than having sunlight coming into this dark basement, so that's a great feature. Original cast iron sewer drains there. That's nice. Going through here. Got a nice kind of finished rec room down here. Once again, we've got the high quality insulated windows. That's perfect. Neighbors can't peek in, plus you get the extra insulating value. Great stuff. We have a dark padded room. See that? It's all padded in here. Even the ceiling's padded with this styrofoam stuff. That's nice. I don't know what they kept in there. I'm afraid to ask. You can see here in the padded room all these scratch marks on the walls, claw marks, fingerprints. I don't know what was going on in here, but someone or something was trying to get out. Terrifying. And here we have another random dark room. I think that was supposed to be a bedroom, but there's no window in there, so I don't want to use it as a bedroom. I'll have to fix that.